Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you are the current group owner and that the target account is a trusted, active member. Once done, open the group page and choose Configure Group. Make sure there are no pending payouts or locked assets because ownership moves control and financial responsibility. Next, promote the new owner to an administrator role so they can accept settings changes. This prevents interruptions. Finally, back up or note group descriptions, place assets, and membership limits before proceeding to the transfer menu. Now you perform the transfer. Go to Configure Group and locate the Ownership Transfer Control or Administrators list. Select the target account you prepared, confirm their username carefully, and follow the confirmation prompts. Roblox may ask for password confirmation or a security step. Complete that. After transfer, make sure the new owner received full control by checking permissions and testing a non-critical setting. If needed, immediately reassign any bot accounts, payouts, or group assets to appropriate. Finish by confirming the group page shows the new owner and then log out and back in to validate their access. Once validated, update any role names, remove temporary admin promotions, and confirm group payouts and places work. If the transfer fails, make sure neither account is locked, banned, or blocked by two-factor settings. Those are common blockers. If you still cannot complete the process, gather the group ID, screenshots, and timestamps, and contact Roblox support for a formal resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.